Alright, here's a quick video of what I make for my dog for his food about maybe every 2 weeks. I have a pound of organic beef. I have I would say about 2 cups of peeled and cubed sweet potato. I have some frozen organic green beans, about a cup of pearl barley, about 5 capsules of kelp, and about a tablespoon of organic green lentils. And obviously add water and cook in the crock pot, and I usually make 2 tubs. I'll mash it all together. I'll make 2 tubs and I will freeze one and put the other one in the fridge. And I think I covered everything. So I will put the ingredients in there as well.